So we want to go ahead and create a from scratch, get started video that really just shows you what it looks like when you first enter in to Atlas. And so you'll see when we first enter in, you can see the icons, you can see the left navigation or the menu area, you can see the overall risk meter and some colors, but that's about it. There's not a whole lot here because we obviously have not entered in any data. So in order to have data show up in the dashboard, you first must enter in goals, enter in a platform or two, enter in some crypto holdings in the HODL crypto area. So I'm just going to really quick enter in a few things so you can see what it looks like to enter it in and see it show up on the dashboard area. So I'm going to click into goals first, and we're going to create a goal. We're going to say vacation, and I'm going to say Maui. We're going to go to Maui, visiting Hawaii. You can put in whatever notes you want. The amount will be $4,000, and the type is going to be we're saving up for that vacation. And we're going to say we're going to do this in August 28th of this year, 2023. This is a high priority. I need to get away. I've been working a lot. So when we enter that in, you're going to see the contribution rates down below per day, per week, per month. And then we're going to say create the goal. So now we have a goal, and now that we have a goal, we can connect it to a particular platform. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and enter in another goal. I'm going to say car and need a second vehicle. Whatever notes you want to put in there. The car, we're going to say $13,000. We're going to purchase the car, and we want to do this by November 1st, 2023. And it's a medium priority. We're surviving on one car, we need a second one. And so again, you can see the contribution rates below and how much we need per day, per week, per month. We're going to create that goal. So you can see here now, we're able to get an overall understanding of our goals. The next goal target is 75 days out that we're going to hit that Maui vacation. That's when we want to complete that goal. We obviously don't have any gains for the goals yet. We don't have any goals funded because we just created this. It's a brand new space. And so now, in order to fund those goals, we're going to need to plug in a platform. So when we go to the platforms area, there's nothing there. And the place to start is add platform. So we're going to click add platform and begin with step one, under the hood. So you're going to begin to plug in the information as we get ready to get towards our destination. That the goals are our destination, but we need to check out our vehicle, if you will, the thing that's going to get us to our goals, which is the gains coming from these particular platforms. So we're going to look under the hood here, and we're going to name the platform. So we're going to say platform 1, and we're going to put in, the URL if there is one, www.platform1.com. The goal. So now we can pick a goal. I want this platform, the main priority goal, to go towards the car. You can pick no goal if you want, but we're going to put car. Investment type, we're going to say, how about we say Forex? Risk level is 2. Platform value, it's going to be fiat or stable coin. So you could do cryptocurrency, but it's fiat and stable coin that they're going to pay out to us. So whatever is going to be paid out to you. Initial investment locked. With this one, we're going to say our investment is locked for 20 days. And the project start day, we'll say, was June 1st, 2023. And we can see down below where it says what we know. It's laying out, it's beginning to diagnose and tell you what it is you're plugging in. That way, if you read it and go, that's not what I actually am doing, you can go back up and begin to look at the different components that you're entering in and see, hey, is that what I want to put in or is it not? Then you go ahead and you hit the next button. And when you hit next, you're going to put your initial investment in. So we'll say $2,000. We're going to say, nope, it's not auto compounding. The payout is around, we'll say 6% variable. The payout schedule is monthly, so 6% a month. It's going to change. We're just guessing what the average is. You can obviously do a value. So if it's a rental, you could do $1,000 value fixed per month or something like that. And then we're going to say our first payout, we'll say will be 6/7/2023. Maybe we actually do. Maybe we do 1% and we say weekly, because different projects pay out in different settings. So you can kind of choose actually based off the project when it pays out and what gains you get from it. Really, whenever a transaction is taking place. So here we go. So we've entered in all the data. We have down below what we know. It's spelling it out for us, and we're going to add the platform. So there we go. We have our platform number 1, and it shows total value of accounts 2,000, right? That's what we started with. That's our total invested into this one project, and our total at risk 2,000. So it's pretty simple at this point, pretty standard. Now, if we go over to the dashboard, we're going to begin to see platform. You're going to see possible monthly income ahead based off of the figures we plugged in. It's showing us what we can look to gain in the future months. Now it's averaging that 6%, or the 1% a week, I guess, is what we plugged in, right? 1% a week variable. So it's kind of showing you, hey, this is what you might get. Your monthly income would be $60. And then we have our goal funded as well. So the more platforms you plug in, it's going to begin to lay those out here in the chart area. So let's go back to platforms. So let's go ahead and let's enter in a transaction for this particular platform. So when we enter in here, we see that there's, different things. It's showing us today's date, 6/14, but we'll say on 6/7/2023, we received $83 in gains, and we want to pay out and remove. We want to go ahead and get our return on investment, start that process of getting our $2,000 out. You have payout reinvest. So if you're compounding and you're reinvesting, you can deposit more or buy more if it's a coin or something, sell, withdraw, platform fee, and loss. But we're going to go ahead and pay out and remove and choose car. Notice how it shows our primary goal that it's paying out to us. You can change your goal per gain that you're taking out, but we're going to leave it on car and say add transaction. So there you go, 6/7, $83 payout remove for the car. You can delete it if you choose, but we're going to go ahead and say close. And when I do this, notice my at-risk changes, right? It drops because I took out, I'm ROIing. My total gains are $83, and it's showing that my goal started to get funded right there. And so as we gain a history, our monthly income projection, it'll actually turn green for what we've actually gained as we go month by month, because we chose it monthly, that they're paying out monthly. So each month it'll show us what the gains are per month. And if we go back to the dashboard, we're going to see the car as on the goal progress. We're seeing that the goal is being funded, and we're seeing all of that. So it's great. You're able to kind of begin the process of entering in the data, plugging things in. Now let's go to HODL. We're going to say BTC. So you're going to put the ticker symbol. So we're going to say Bitcoin, and we have 0.5 amount of Bitcoin. And let's say the total price of Bitcoin right now is 26,000. Add crypto. Boom, there we go. $13,000 worth. We have 0.5 of the coin itself. And right now it's our 100% allocation. So let's do ETH. So let's go ahead and say we have 0.5 ETH as well. And the total price of ETH right now is at 1,600. We're going to add the crypto. What's cool is it'll ask you and be like, hey, let's check and make sure we have the right Ethereum. So you choose the correct Ethereum, set it, boom, there it is. Now it's showing our 0.5 of the ETH coin that we have, and it shows your allocations and all of that. Now if we go back to dashboard, you're going to begin to see in the HODL area the crypto holdings that are going to begin to show up, the top 3 crypto holdings. So there you have it. There's just a general get started overview of how to begin to enter your data and get your gains to your goals. We hope this is helpful and that you begin your journey with Atlas.